Do you use a row machine when you work out? A lot of things do not get considered when using this machine. Check out these tips to help make this machine more effective and safer while you're using it for your workouts.
Welcome back to Trainer Tip Tuesday. All month long, we have been talking about tips to help you increase your effectiveness and safety while doing the rowing machine at the gym. Today specifically, we're gonna be talking about your tempo or your speed. Tempo or speed can really impact how your muscles are contracting, as well as the range of motion that you're able to achieve.
So some of the bigger issues that we see from a tempo and speed perspective when people are using the seated row machine is they will launch the weight at the start by moving really fast, and then they'll also fling into the end position and let the weight just kind of fall down, okay? Where you really want to make sure you are going really slowly and coming to complete stops are at each respective end. So as you move back, squeeze your muscles into that end back position and pause there for at least a second, and then slowly lower down and then pause at the bottom for at least a second. Imagine you're lowering the weights on a glass table or a glass plane. If you go down really hard, that plane or that table is going to shatter. So make sure you're setting it down gently, and as you come back, you want to think about your muscles pulling you into the positions, not your hands pulling the weight into the position.
Next time you're at the gym, make sure you check on that tempo so that you're getting maximum benefit from the exercise.